Hi, welcome to my kitchen. We are going to look at the Ninja Crispi and cook some chicken. I also have some really great tips for you to consider when you're cooking with your Ninja Crispi to make your cooking a success. This amazing product is the Ninja Crispi, the power pod that slips on top of a glass, the first of its kind, an air fryer made of glass. And why is that better? Because glass is just so much better to cook in. This is a special kind of glass. It is free from a lot of the chemicals that some glass containers have, but it is wonderful to cook in because you can do several things. You can cook in it, serve in it, reheat in it, you can refrigerate in it, and you can freeze in it, and it is dishwasher safe. The Ninja Crispi comes with two pieces. This is the big batch, and this is the small batch. Both of them have tops on them so you can store food right in there, and it's so great to make 2 or 3 things for a single meal. Today we're going to cook chicken breast, a family staple. I have put some olive oil on my chicken breast, and just salt, pepper, little garlic powder, and basil, and I'm going to place it in a big batch container. The Ninja Crispi comes with a great instruction guide with lots of recipes in there. So here's my quick start guide, and I have it earmarked, and it is well loved because I use it a lot. So I'm using a recipe today that's not in here, but it does give me a general guide on how to cook chicken breast. It says to brush with oil and cook 15 to 20 minutes. Now I know that I've been using my Ninja Crispi for a while, and I know some of the tips and tricks to make it successful for you. First, we're going to go over the 4 pods. There's 4 choices here, 4 modes. You can re-crisp, bake, air fry, and max crisp for different types of items. I'm going to use this big batch with my chicken in it, and I am going to choose air fry mode, and you simply depress this round button until it gets to that mode, and it automatically populates at 10, which is a good number. You can adjust up or down. Now, some of the tips and tricks for the Ninja Crispi: when you are in the middle of your timed recipe, it is a good idea to just kind of flip your food, or to always use silicone utensils to flip the food. And then also, when you're cooking multiple things, the power pot is already hot, so you can reduce the time a little bit for the second item that you're cooking. Oils work really great in here, so that's also another tip, to put a little bit of oil. Now, when you're cooking with this cooking tray in here, it keeps the oils down at the bottom, so it's really great that you can pour oils over the top of your food, and it will go into the bottom, sort of sauteing it, steaming it. It's a great crispy way to cook food, and it makes it so nice because it's not soaking in oil, but you can have the benefits of oils while you're cooking, and you can simply save them in here and serve, and also refrigerate. So you can wash them in the dishwasher, not the pot of course, but just the glass, and it makes life so easy. Let's look and see. Oh, the chicken looks so delicious. It's crispy and tender. It's cooked perfectly all the way through without being dry. I've tasted it, and it's absolutely delicious. Look how well cooked it is. Beautiful to serve right in this container, or put it in something else and cook your next dish to go with your supper. Absolutely love the crispy, delicious food from my Ninja Crispi, and I know you will too.